So whether it's software or platform, it doesn't really matter. Look at them in the same direction. As long as if they're processing your EDI data, and that data can be either ANSI X12, XML, whatever the data may be that's coming to you electronically. When is it time to replace it? Well, first off, is the company that supplied or manufactured that program or product, are they still in business? If they're no longer in business, it might be time to replace what they've provided to you. Or have they looked to sunset that product, which means they're no longer supporting it, documenting it, developing on it, doing any of those type of things to advance that product? Well, if they've done that, then it's definitely time to look, because who's going to support it? If the people that have programmed it are no longer invested in it, well, then why should you be invested in it? And why should you have such a critical component of your company invested in it? The other thing is when you're looking at it, what type of errors are you having? What type of issues are you having? Are you looking at lost revenue for your organization? Because maybe your EDI translation software doesn't do certain things that your trading partners are asking you to do. Whether they be, maybe you only do ANSI X12 to a flat file. Well, guess what? If you have to move to a different cloud-based software, you're going to probably have to be able to do API, or you're going to have to be able to deal with XML files or dealing with JSON, any of those different things. Maybe they're new to your organization, but if your translation software doesn't handle that part of the process, then maybe it's time to look and see, is there a different thing that's out there that you should be using? Or maybe the price is increasing. Maybe it's every time your business keeps growing, guess what? That bill keeps growing with you. And it hits a point where the CEO or the CFO or somebody that's looking at your organization's going, why are we getting charged thousands of dollars a month for this piece of software? Who are they and what are they doing for us? How quick are they responding to our issues? Those are the things that you have to ask yourself when you're looking at it. The costs increasing, errors, loss of revenue, all of those things. Or it's a sunset product that you know if that server goes down, you don't have anybody to rely on. You don't have anybody to call to fix it. Somebody to look at the back end code and say, oh, this is why this is occurring. Well, that's a problem. What do you need to do to move from that product? You need to document. Document, document, document. Everywhere, anything, all processes. Who are the trading partners? What communication are they using? What documents are they using? Who knows these processes that are going through your platform or EDI solution? You need to have all of that documented. Whether that's having your internal staff document it, and outside staff come in and review and document it, video documentation, paper documentation, whatever you can do and you can put together, you need to do that in order for you to do a knowledge transfer. Because if you're looking to replace what you're currently doing with something else, and you don't even know exactly what all you are doing currently internally, or what you're missing out on, or any of those things, well, guess what? You might be taking yourself from one EDI platform to another EDI platform that new EDI platform can't do what you're looking to do, because you don't know all the processes. You don't know of all the things that your trading partners have been asking you for that you say you can't do because of your software limitations. So start to put those things together and start to ask yourself, are you using the right product? Most companies, as weird as it is, most companies put these EDI solutions in place and they set it and forget it. And it never becomes a problem unless there's an error. Well, just remember, if you leave that issue sit there, it's eventually gonna come back to haunt you. So document everything, look into the situations of what you're missing out on, look into the situations of what it's costing you. Put all those things together. It's only going to do good for your business, and it's only going to allow you to be able to grow and prosper.